Hi, it's Lindar with the LLG for lesson 3.5. Yes, the other half of lesson 3 from the wave lesson. So, I'm going to briefly be talking about lo and ku. Now, this is fun. This is the big part. This is where you're getting a big step up into the world of being able to speak more clearly and use bigger thoughts and things. So, what we have is an opening and a closing tag. What this does is it starts with lo and ends with ku, and in the middle there we sandwich in a celebrate. And that's those verby words that we were talking about before. You follow along. So, what this does is it takes that Silbury and packages it up so we can use it as one of those places, like how we use me, ti, and do. We can also slip that in there. So, the meaning of this new created word is that of the very first place in it. So, for example, if we say lo dunda ku, what do you think that means? It means a giver. So, if we say lo zdani ku, what do you think that means? It is a home. Now, let's take a look at this idea. The word dansu. That means that someone is dancing. If we say lo dansu ku, that means a dancer. So we take the sort of thing that would fit into the x1, and it becomes that meaning. So, we can apply this very easily. For example, Los Dani. Nope. One more. Wait. Organize. Thinking of a simple example using words we've already used. For example, Mi dunda los Dani ku lo dansu ku. I give a home to a dancer. And keep in mind you can rearrange and so on and so forth. Let's also apply the first half of this lesson. We can also talk about bigger things, more advanced things. Mi nelshi lo sutra karsheku. I like a fast car. See, we can take that because it's one little unit there. Sutra karshe. And we can wrap the whole thing as long as it's celery in there. So as long as it's just celery, we can have a whole tanru, we can have great big tanru, we could have as many celery linked together as we want, as long as it's lo ku on either side. And then poof, we're perfect. We can use that as a sumti, as a thing that fills the places. Got a little hiccup there, I think, I apologize. I'm trying to keep these videos short because my computer is hiccuping in the video, so I apologize for that. So, keep that in mind, try to use it, come up with some practice sentences, try to say things, try to observe things and use things. And, comment if you have any questions. I would love response videos. I would love to see examples of people saying things. That would be really cool. So I'd love to see video responses using your newfound knowledge of Lojban. So, review these videos if necessary, pick up some vocabulary on Memrise, and I will see you for lesson 4, which is actually going to be lesson 5 from the wave lessons. So I'm flip-flopping 4 and 5. So I will see you next time for a lesson on Se and Friends. Shohorodo Kihe.